In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write H2O in Microsoft Word. Writing chemical formulas like H2O in Microsoft Word may seem simple, but if you want it to look professional and correctly formatted, you need to use subscript for the number 2. Subscript allows the number to appear slightly below the text line, which is the standard way chemical formulas are written in scientific documents, reports, and assignments. To begin, open Microsoft Word and click on the place in your document where you want to type H2O. Start by typing the letter H as usual. Next, you need to type the number 2 as a subscript so it appears smaller and slightly lower than the letter H. There are several ways to apply subscript formatting in Word. The easiest method is to highlight the number 2 with your mouse. Once it is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Font group, look for the button labeled Subscript, which is represented by an X with a small 2 slightly below it. Click on this button, and the number 2 will move down and appear correctly as a subscript. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut to apply subscript. Highlight the number 2 and press Ctrl plus the equal sign on your keyboard, or Ctrl plus equals. This will instantly format the number as a subscript without needing to navigate through the ribbon. After applying subscript to the number 2, continue typing the letter O normally. Your final formula should now appear as H2O, with the 2 properly formatted as a subscript. This ensures that the chemical formula looks professional and is easy to read, which is especially important in scientific writing or academic work. If you need to write additional chemical formulas, the same steps can be applied to any element or number that requires subscript formatting. You can also use the superscript option if you need numbers or symbols to appear slightly above the text line, such as in exponents. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and accurately write chemical formulas like H2O in Microsoft Word, making your documents look clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.